Market cycle. Do you know that everything in the market moves in a cycle? The 4 stages of a market cycle includes accumulation, uptrend or markup, distribution, and downtrend or markdown. When we say accumulation phase, accumulation occurs after the market has bottomed and market participants begin to buy, figuring the worst is over. The markup phase occurs when the market has been stable for a while and moves higher in price. Market participants become optimistic where buyers dominate the trend. Distribution phase. This is where euphoria occurs. Greed enters where everyone is buying and everyone is very optimistic of the stock. Sellers eventually sinks in and begin to dominate as the stock reaches its peak. Markdown occurs when the stock price is tumbling down and everyone turns pessimistic and tries to liquidate position. This is where fear and capitulation enters. Pansin nyo, as everyone gets more emotional, dun mas nagiging erratic yung galaw ng market. Pag una, wala pa masyadong movement yung stock, then papasok yung participants and will try to move prices higher. Dun, magiging sobrang noticeable na yung stock where everyone are so positive. Yung mga na-whipsaw sa initial move wants to enter the stock. FOMO sinks in. Eventually, papasok yung euphoria and greed thinking na magkakaroon ng continuous run-up but the disaster comes. Papasok bigla yung mga sellers and will start the sell down. Yung mga nakabili sa tuktok will now experience fear and hope na babalik pa yung price sa taas but incur losses as the stock starts breaking down. In the end, many of them quit. Karamihan sa kanila had ended their league.